This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Flavia Burl. Amazingly well-designed home in quiet neighborhood. Designed by Stone Cabin Design, this beautiful all-brick home sports a 1.5-story floor plan over a partial basement, consisting of 5,300 square feet of floor space and includes 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms and an in-ground pool. Among its many special features are the large custom gourmet kitchen with real hickory cabinets, a 4-season sunroom with hot tub, a large living room, dining room with built-in cherry cabinets, large den/office that could be converted to another bedroom, main floor primary suite and large basement family room that offers endless possibilities. The remainder of the bedrooms are tucked away in the upper level, as well as 2 full bathrooms, a rec room and plenty of attic storage space that could be converted into yet another bedroom or even an office. With the kitchen as its centerpiece, this home is great for entertaining any size group inside or out. The sunroom crowns the backyard with a large Bomanite patio, which radiates from the sunroom and surrounds the in-ground pool, providing a large outdoor entertainment area. This is a one-owner home that has been meticulously maintained over the years. Among its latest improvements are the new pump motor for the pool, new pool cover pump and garage furnace, new dishwasher, new roof, 2020, new air conditioners for main floor and upper floor, new refrigerator, newer pool liner and cover, and many other improvements. See attached list of improvements. The lawn is equipped with a sprinkler system and the backyard is framed by mature trees at the back lot line. The heated 3-car garage includes a sink and work area. This property includes fiber optics high-speed internet, grade A Edgewood schools, and is only 10 minutes from the IU campus. It's a solid home that is move-in ready. Homes aren't built like this one anymore. High-quality materials, solid construction, all wrapped in brick.